OOTD, Power Your Ride, Your World, Your Ride, No Limits. Meet the OOTD S10, where design meets performance. Strong, smart and built for the city. Today in the video we present the S10 electric scooter with a powerful 1400 watt motor and a 48 volt battery with capacity over 20 amp hour. That means you can expect up to 70 kilometers of driving per charge. This scooter has created for everyday city adventures, safe, comfortable and stress-free, all at a very affordable price. For more details, be sure to check out this OOTD S10 video review. When you open the box of the OOTD S10 scooter, you can immediately see that everything is packed carefully and professionally. Each part is protected by a foam pad and the scooter itself is waiting ready, half assembled, with the minimal work around the final assembly. Inside you'll find the scooter itself, 54 6-watt 2-amp charger and set of assembly tools, and a clear, easy to follow user manual. Assembly takes just a few minutes. You just need to install the handlebars, connect the cables and tighten 6 screws, and you are ready to go for your first ride. As soon as you take it out of the box, you notice how robust the OOTD S10 is. The aluminum alloy frame feels extremely solid and reliable. Even before you turn it on, you get the impression that you are holding a serious city machine, not a toy. The aluminum finish, side LED strips and details on the wheels immediately make it clear that the OOTD is serious, targeting the scooter segment that combines functionality and aesthetics. The OOTD S10 gives off an impression of elegance and power at the first glance, there is no doubt about that. It's a black aluminum construction with the yellow details combined with the yellow ambient lights and makes its visibility strong and recognizable, especially when riding at night, when the side LED strips create beautiful lighting effect along the road. The platform is sufficient, wide and long, made it of not-slip material that provides a stability and sense of security even when they're riding on less flat surfaces. There is enough space for the feet and the sidelines of the scooter are rounded and smooth, which gives a refined silhouette and sense of harmony. The front of the scooter is adorned with a powerful daytime LED light that helps you be more easily noticed in the traffic, and there is also a secondary nighttime light that clearly illuminates the road ahead of you. While at the back there is a red brake light and the turn signals built into the side LED strips, which combined with the wide fender contributes to the safety and visibility in the traffic. OOTD S10 is also practical thanks to the folding mechanism. The entire scooter can be folded in just a few seconds. This makes it a perfect companion for the city rides, as you can easily fit in the trunk of your car or take it to the office or even take it with you on a public transportation. Although 27 kilograms is not small, that weight gives a sense of stability at the higher speed, but it's still light enough to be carried when needed. Visually, this is a scooter that simply stands out, elegant, harmonious and crafted with attention to the detail that inspires confidence. The heart of this scooter is a 1400 watt motor that delivers smooth but decisive acceleration. The motor performs excellently in a city riding. It responds immediately but no jerking, which is ideal for both beginners and experienced riders, although if necessary he can turn himself into a real beast. The OOTD S10 uses a 48 watt 12 amp hour battery, which gives a total of 960 watt hour of capacity and allows for a ride of up to 70 kilometers on a single charge, of course in ideal conditions. Now the speed is limited to 25 km, which is not a drawback but a smart compromise between power, safety and legal use in most EU countries. Load capacity of 120 kg and the ability to overcome slopes of up to 15 degrees mean that the engine has enough torque for more serious city climbs. 10-inch tubeless tires provide excellent grip and dampen vibrations, and together with the dual suspension system they give a smooth ride even when the road is not perfect. The suspension used 2500 lbs spring shock absorbers, and the rear stiffness adjustment allows for personalization according to the rider's weight and ride style. IPX water resistance means that light rain or splash of the water will be not a problem. The OOTD S10 has both front and rear wide fenders, which effectively protect against splashes and dirt when riding on the wet roads and muddy paths. The handlebar is made of a single piece of aluminium that integrates both the instrument panel and the headlight. That means that everything is really compact, solid and minimalist in the design without unnecessary wires that hang or spoil the aesthetics. On the left side we find the mechanical brake lever and the module with the bell and the turn signals, while on the right there is a power button, a button for changing the riding modes and a thumb throttle that responds precisely to the touch. The rider can choose between 4 modes: manual, eco, standard and sport, depending on whether he wants to save battery power or feel the full potential of the engine. The centrally located integrated minimalistic LCD screen shows the speed, battery level and operating mode, and thanks to its high contrast it remains readable even in direct sunlight. The angle at which the display is placed is particularly practical. It does not reflect light and is easy to read even while riding. Braking is reliable and safe thanks to the 140 mm mechanical disc brakes combined with the electronic engine brake that helps with the sudden stops. The braking system reacts stably and predictably, which gives an additional sense of safety. If necessary, it can effectively bring you to a sudden stop, maintaining control and stability even in emergency situations. And now the most important thing, how does it feel when you step on the OOTD S10? In one word, smooth. The moment you touch the gas, the engine responds without jerks, with a smooth and uniform acceleration. The ride is extremely quiet, almost meditatively, and the feeling of sliding on the asphalt is reminiscent of the slight hovering. The S10 behaves stably even at the maximum speed, and thanks to the low center of gravity and a wide platform, there is no feeling of insecurity even when entering corners faster. The suspension absorbs bumps well. It is not sporty soft but elastic enough to maintain comfort and safety even on the longer rides. Although it can handle small climbs, the S10 feels best in the city driving, through streets, parks and paths. Its engine or stiffer suspension give a sense of precision, not aggression. This is a scooter that will not surprise you. Everything works predictably, reliably and smooth. Bluetooth connectivity allows you to connect to the Smart Life application, with which you can turn off cruise control, activate instant start or monitor basic driving information if you need it. When everything is added up, the OOTD S10 leaves an extremely positive impression. It's a scooter that combines design, practicality, power and safety in a well-balanced package. It's not made for extreme climbs or fast adventures, but in the city, exactly where you need it, it shows its true colors. It's comfortable, stylish, well-made and provides a sense of reliability with every ride. For everyday commuting, riding on the bypaths or leisurely cruising through the city, the OOTD S10 is more than enough. With its appearance and the lighting details, it attracts attention wherever you appear and seems like a much more expensive model that it really is. If you're looking for electric scooter that looks modern and feels like an extension of your body, not like a machine, the OOTD S10 is exactly that. It has designed to show you that urban riding can be not only fast and practical, but also safe, stylish and truly enjoyable, and all that at a reasonable price. If you are ready to experience it yourself, check out the official sales link below this video and order your OOTD S10 at a special discounted price. Delivery from the EU warehouse is really fast and reliable. Your scooter will arrive right at your doorstep in just 3 to 4 days after placing the order. So don't miss this great opportunity while the stocks last. That's all for today. Ride safe, have fun, and we'll see you in the next video review. Until then, bye.